In this quick and short video, I'm going to be showing you how you can block a specific sound on TikTok so you don't have to keep on hearing the same sound over and over again in your homepage. So what you need to do is once you've loaded up TikTok, you want to go to the homepage by tapping the home button. And then I have the sounds on mute, but you get the idea now. You can see that if I scroll down and let's scroll down some more, let's just say that I don't like a specific song that a certain user is using, and they keep repeatedly showing me the specific sound. What I need to do is long press on the TikTok video. And then what you can see, it says add to favorites, report, and then not interested. What you want to do is tap on not interested. And then that video will disappear from your feed, and then TikTok will slowly get the idea that you don't like that specific sound if you go ahead and do that same process every time you see that sound in your feed. So if I scroll down some more, and let's just say the sound is the same sound that I keep hearing that we just deleted, what you want to do is tap on not interested again, and then the algorithm will pick that up over time and show you less and less and less of that specific sound. So I hope this was able to help you out. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.